Under the Ministry of the Skills Development and Entrepreneurships, District Skills Development Committee Tamenglong presents Skills Mela on 15th of March 2023 at Multipurpose Hall near Tamenglong Apollo Ground. Under the theme Awareness of Skills Development Programs and Employment Opportunities. The event was attended by the dignitaries, special invitees from different organizations, self-help groups, entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs and students. Sri Pawan Yadav, Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong, was the chief guest of the program. On addressing the gathering, the Deputy Commissioner talks about the importance of capacity buildings provided by the different organizations like skills training. There were three guest speakers on entrepreneurial talks: Mr. M.K. Akam, M.K. Akam Modern Handlooms and Weaving Industry Limited, Tamenglong; Ms. Yotmata Raleng, Committee Manager, Hillwild Private Limited; Mr. Intui Kwanang, Misty Mountain, Tamenglong Tea Products of Tamenglong Tea Growers Integrated Cooperative Society Limited. The purpose of the event was to sanitize the unemployed, school dropouts, unskilled youth, and women about various skills development training schemes. The Skills Mela was held in key partners with 1. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology in Fal, Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology in Fal, JCRE Skills Solutions, KV Philanthropy 5, RNBA, JACEEX Venture LLP, Japan Center of Excellence, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Ozone, Midline, Job Timinasi, Smart Security Service, Green Foundations, Akams Handloom, and Emporium Training and Consultancy Private Limited.